In the heart of Singapore's bustling cityscape lies Clarke Quay, where the river whispers tales of a bygone era. Tonight, a legendary myth awakes, illuminating the darkness and signaling a new era for this iconic precinct. Meet the Firefish, the mythical guardian of the river's secrets, with fiery eyes and bluish bodies reminiscent of the Teochew boats that once fly the Singapore River. It invites us to journey through time, seamlessly blending history with the promise of a new future. Drawn by the gentle glow of Clarke Quay's buildings, the Firefish guides us through iconic landmarks where the whispers of the past echo through the historical godowns. These former warehouses have been restored to preserve its original charms, and today stand as vibrant hubs for lifestyle and dining experiences. With a warm heart, the Firefish continues exploring the rejuvenated precinct, eager to discover more of its exciting transformations. Here, where the river flows, tales of a once bustling maritime port unfold. The Firefish takes us past colorfully lit riverboats, each representing Clarke Quay's maritime heritage, echoing the spirit of its storied past. Continues its journey along the river promenade, passing the vibrant riverfront shophouses, now home to a myriad of leisure and culinary establishments. Above the waters, the angel canopy illuminates the night, casting an enchanting glow over the bustling alfresco dining scene, which comes alive with laughter, the clinking of glasses, and a symphony of diverse aromas. As we continue our journey along the river, the Firefish swims past a lady on a stroll along the promenade with her dog. In the distance, joggers pass through, seamlessly blending into the beautiful scenery. This peaceful town makes it a perfect day-to-night exploration for visitors. People from all walks of life gather to admire the night sky. Laughter and tears fill the streets, echoing the excitement of CQ's transformative journey. The lively cheers awaken the Firefish, who leaps out of the water and joins in the celebration, its graceful movements mirroring the rhythm of the music. With each twirl, the Firefish dances in the night sky, a symbol of rejuvenation and growth. The Firefish, having witnessed the vibrant evolution of the sea at Clarke Quay, descends gracefully into the shimmering waters below. As we gaze upon the illuminated waters of the Singapore River, we see not just a reflection of the past, but a celebration of this historic precinct's transformation. Welcome to the new CQ at Clarke Quay, where heritage meets